Hello again, ChoroQ fans. We have a really odd car, or an interesting car. This is called a Dome Zero. Dome was a company, I'm not sure if they're still around today, but they're Japanese. And the Zero was this concept car that they tried to make, but it just never made it to production. It couldn't pass Japanese approval. Couldn't really figure out why, though. At least Wikipedia doesn't explain why. It's powered by a 2.8 liter Nissan i6 inline 6-cylinder and making around 140 horsepower. And this was like a dream of someone called Minoru Hayashi. Alright. What else is here? Curb weight 920 kilograms, 5-speed manual transmission, and I guess that's all we need to know. So very wedge styling. This is this car's debuted at the 78 Geneva Auto Show. Yes, so late 70s. Look at these really funky headlights. They're so tall. It looks like a frog or something. I'm gonna guess the car is really low, so the headlights have to meet height requirements, and so look a little bit goofy. And then it's got scissor doors and clamshells for the front and rear. Alright. Let's see what else we have here. So it's a silver paint job. These wheels are unique to the actual vehicle. It's got, you know, these weird recesses here, but not equal. It's just a two-sided look to the wheels. 4 lug nuts and then perimeter bolts, so that's pretty nice. And then the side of the body, we have this nice green line going across, just like on the real car. And then we have this black graphic, which is actually a window on the car, I believe. But this one actually has really clear windows, very clear. Most ChoroQs don't have that. And the reason why is there's actually like a really shallow interior. The seats are so shallow because there's a spring motor under this. If you don't know, ChoroQs are wind-up pullback toys. Okay, so some vent details here, painted black, and then those pop-ups, good panel gaps here. Oh, there's even printing here of this, well, I don't know if it says dome or what. Oh, it's Japanese, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that's Japanese text. I can't tell through my screen. Okay. Little panel here, maybe to cover the wiper blade motor. And then we have some good texture here for the radiator. While we're down here, this thing is from 2022, February 2022, not too long ago. It's number 77, the Zero lineup. We have taillights with a black border, and then the 3 different colors. There actually is orange, I think, there over the red. The bumper's black. Here's the sticker for the back. A little exhaust tip here. I think it's a separate plastic piece glued in there. And cool, they got a little green back here to match. And then underneath his window, it's just hollow. Interesting. There's a frame back here. So this is a separate piece, this whole canopy, I guess. Yeah. Alright, well, it's very unique. I don't think I ever knew about this car. If it wasn't for ChoroQs, I would still not know about this car. So it's kind of interesting that I learned so much by collecting these toys. So some other cars that look very similar to this, or this looks very similar to these. Lancia Stratos. This is a freebie from Wanda, I believe. Yep, Wanda is a coffee can beverage in Japan. So that wedge styling. Or we have this ChoroQ Lamborghini LP400. I think think I may have 3D printed my own wheels for that though. I can't remember. But I think the car it looks most like is the Lotus Esprit, the very first one. Right? It's very, very similar. Especially the rear as well. Rectangular taillights and stuff. Alright, well here's a little top view. So it's interesting how cars, you know, tend to copy each other, and there's like trends in automotive styling. I find that interesting. Alright, let's let this guy spin out his own. So if you're new to watching my videos on ChoroQs, I'll just let you guys know. ChoroQs are very expensive. If you like realistic models, then you should probably buy realistic models for less money. But I like these goofy cartoonish things, so although this is a really, really expensive toy, it is cool. It's, you know, it's a deformed car of a car I never knew about. So, and it's well executed. Quality control is quite nice. I don't see any problems on ChoroQs very often. Their QC is generally good, better than most diecast brands actually. Realistic model brands, that is. Alright, well anyways, I will continue the ChoroQ train. I have plenty more to go through, so I'll see you in the next video.